Grand Hotel Don Gregorio? 5 stars. Stay in the heart of Salamanca. Featuring a spa, this 15th century palace has been beautifully restored into a luxury hotel. Grand Hotel Don Gregorio is located opposite St. Stephen's Convent and 5 minutes walk from Plaza Mayor Square. Excellent location in front San Esteban Convent. Very comfy bed. Superb design and interiors. Very good breakfast. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Very comfortable hotel in excellent location with helpful staff. Car parking is available. The hotel makes use of a covered public car park nearby. First class hotel. Location, staff. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.